Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the discover function in the Bikemap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and go to the discover button at the bottom of the page, and here you can see suggested routes which are given by the application. So you can search for the most popular routes around you, as well as more specific ones like flat routes, hilly routes, uphill routes and downhill routes. And of course you can search for your own, so you can just type any direction you want to go, and it will calculate a route for you. And here you can set your home address and your work address as well, so the application will know where you want to start your route. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.